Hey y'all, this is Kinah with KinahIAm. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Q3 Goldmine CoCo Peyton subscription box. If you're interested in seeing what's in here, you can pretty much already see it. Stay tuned. Alright y'all, so the first thing, I have a new trading card. I am fairly certain that this one was produced with the Around the Way Girl collection. Let's just say I have a hunch. We'll be adding this to my collection. So that's the first item. The second is this card. It says, "Thank you for being a gem, planning around the world and back again. Our hearts are full. You're a friend and a customer. And if you know somebody that might love to join in planning too, share this discount with her and welcome her to the crew. Thank you for being a gem." So y'all see that code, y'all? Go spend some money at Goldmine CoCo. Make sure you take photos of your new items and tag Goldmine CoCo. So, card included. Next item up is this notepad. Y'all, look at this. Ooh, open up. Y'all, I'm about to tear it up. Okay, so we have a notepad, y'all. No, Goldmine CoCo is known for their thick quality paper. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 checklists for today, 4 checklists for tomorrow, and then we have Miss Pay down here, and it says keep falling in love with yourself. I love it. So y'all, we have this notepad. Next item up, baby girl, you know we gotta have our stickers. Okay, it is a Peyton sub, so we gotta have Peyton stickers. Let's get into it. Okay, so we have, ooh child, Felicia done sent us some fall themed stickers. Okay, we have Be Grateful, Fall into Planning. I'm loving these colors, y'all. Thankful, Grateful, and Blessed. Give Thanks. Oh y'all, look at this. Felicia, send them florals, hunty. Seasons change and so do you. Okay, honey, you better get it. You better get it. Bring out your boots. Oh, I can't wait to bring out my boots. Y'all, but the colors are everything. I love fall most of all. Hello, fall. And change is beautiful. Yes, it sure is. And the last one, pumpkin spice everything. Y'all, these florals are giving what they're supposed to give. This one too, I love it. So how many sticker kits do we get? I'm sure it's 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 sticker kits, y'all. So these are the stickers for the month. Last but not least, hold on, before we go into this last item, can we just acknowledge this folder, because I already know what I'm going to use it for. But ma'am, thank you for sending this folder. It's everything. Protection. Okay, so y'all, I don't know what this is. We're getting ready to find out together. But baby, focus, the gateway to all thinking. Enough said. We don't need to say nothing else. Oh, y'all, is this a notebook? Y'all, we got a notebook and this paper, baby. Oh, and it's perforated so y'all can take. Y'all, the pages are perforated so you can tear it out. If you have a 7x9 planner, you can go ahead and punch this into that planner. Punch these pages into that planner. This, I love this. I love this. And on the back side, girl, do it for you. Pay. Okay. Oh, y'all, can't wait to use that. So here is everything from the Q3 Goldmine CoCo subscription kit. If y'all don't have this already, baby, we need to go get it. I have a link down below in the description box for you. And don't forget to use the code NEWGEM10. That will be down in the description box as well. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. If you enjoyed it, please like, comment, share the video. Subscribe to my channel. That is the best way, the freest way to show your support for my channel. Thank you so much for watching. See y'all in the next one.